How to program the XK8 Key FOB. There's a set procedure, one for year 96 and 97 models, and all other models use a different procedure. And a warning, all key fobs that you own need to be programmed at the same time, otherwise the old ones won't work. My name's Bruce and I'm a proud owner of a silver 1999 XK8. And this channel is organised to share the knowledge that I've gained while owning Sylvester. And to help me make more videos, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell to be notified when I publish more videos. It's best to get in the car, then insert the key in the steering lock and turn to the off position. Now to be clear, there are 4 positions that the key can be in. The first is the off position. Turn it 1 twist clockwise to the accessory position, turn it 1 more twist to the check position, and finally twist to the ignition position that will start the car. But before I start the programming, I want to point out the red light that'll flash on the center console. It's under that little grille to the left of the letter P. Now that I've pointed that out, the programming is done in the accessory position. But before you do that, you need to enter the programming mode, so make sure the key's in the off position. Now pull the left-hand stalk for the high beam towards you. The blue light will illuminate under the fuel gauge. And while holding the stalk towards you, turn the key from off to the accessory position. Release the high beam stalk. Next is to flash the high beam 3 times for 96-97 cars and 4 times for later cars. You need to press any button on the remote for a total of 5 times. The red light will flash on the center console to the left of the P, and there will be a chirp sound for each button depression. But be aware, if you own more than one remote, you need to press the button on all of them in that total of 5 presses. In other words, if you've got 2 remotes, press the button on one remote 3 times and on the other twice. And if you don't program all your remotes at the same time, the old ones won't work. After the 5 button presses, wait for about 20 seconds. There'll be another flash of the red light to indicate the end of the program cycle. Or if you turn off the key beforehand, that will also end the cycle with a flash of the red light. Finally, make sure you have turned the key off. Now all the remotes that you've used in this process will now be programmed. I hope this quick video has entertained you and that you've learnt a bit about the beautiful XK8. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell to be notified when I publish more videos.